Flowing quietly within us is a river of life, our blood. Hidden beneath our skin, it connects every part of our bodies in a seamless, unbroken loop. Blood travels through a vast network, reaching from our fingertips to our brain. It delivers oxygen and nutrients, removes waste, and keeps us alive every moment. Each heartbeat sends this precious fluid on its journey, uniting trillions of cells into a single living whole. More than a transport system, blood communicates, defends, and repairs, working in perfect harmony. Its pathways are more intricate than any map, its functions more varied than any machine. The river of life flows on, quietly supporting every heartbeat, every breath, every moment. It is the silent force that makes everything else possible, a marvel we carry within us every day. A single drop of blood is a bustling community, teeming with life and purpose. Within it, countless microscopic players work together in harmony. Plasma, a pale liquid, carries nutrients, hormones, and waste, keeping everything moving. Red blood cells deliver oxygen, fueling every cell with each heartbeat. White blood cells guard us, fighting off invaders to keep us safe. Platelets rush to seal wounds, stopping bleeding in moments. Together, these components form a perfectly balanced team, each with a vital role. In every drop, life's symphony plays on, a masterpiece of biology, echoing the wonder of existence. One of blood's most vital roles is carrying oxygen, the breath of life. Without this constant delivery, our bodies would not survive for more than a few minutes. Oxygen is the fuel that powers every cell, every organ, and every heartbeat. Our lungs draw in air, filling with life-giving oxygen, but it's blood that acts as the true courier, delivering this precious gas to every single cell, from the tips of our fingers to the depths of our brain. Red blood cells, packed with the protein hemoglobin, bind oxygen molecules in the tiny air sacs of the lungs. This remarkable process happens in a fraction of a second, as blood rushes past the alveoli. This oxygenation transforms blood into a vibrant scarlet, signaling it's fully loaded and ready for delivery throughout the body. Imagine fleets of tiny boats, each red blood cell carrying its cargo of oxygen, navigating a vast network of vessels to reach the body's farthest and most remote corners. These cells fuel our muscles as we move, energize our brain as we think, and keep our heart beating strong. Without this constant supply, our cells would quickly fail, and life would come to a halt. After delivering their oxygen, red blood cells take on a new mission, collecting carbon dioxide, the waste product of cellular activity, for the return trip to the lungs. Back at the lungs, carbon dioxide is released from the blood and exhaled with every breath, completing the cycle. This incredible exchange happens with every breath we take, billions of times a day, seamlessly and without conscious thought. It's a silent, perfect process, connecting our inner world to the outside, sustaining us whether we're running, resting, or dreaming. Blood makes this connection possible, sharing each breath with every part of us, uniting our body in a single, life-sustaining rhythm. The journey of the red blood cell is the journey of life itself, a never-ending cycle that keeps us alive moment by moment. Beyond oxygen, blood is the body's great provider, delivering nutrients that fuel our existence. After digestion, nutrients are absorbed and dissolved into plasma, creating a nourishing soup. The heart pumps this enriched plasma throughout the body, ensuring every cell is fed. Blood delivers glucose for energy, amino acids for repair, and vitamins for essential reactions. This constant nourishment allows us to heal, grow, and thrive. Without blood's delivery, even a full stomach would leave our cells starving. Blood bridges the gap between digestion and life, connecting eating with living. It's a beautiful example of cooperation within our bodies. The blood's role as provider is a silent, life-sustaining process. It keeps us strong, healthy, and alive. Every cell produces waste, carbon dioxide, urea, lactic acid that must be removed. Blood acts as the body's silent cleaning service, collecting and transporting waste for disposal. As blood delivers nutrients, it also picks up cellular byproducts. Plasma absorbs substances like urea, red cells bind carbon dioxide. Blood carries these wastes to organs equipped for disposal. Carbon dioxide returns to the lungs for exhalation. Urea travels to the kidneys for filtration. The kidneys purify blood, converting waste into urine for expulsion. This cleansing cycle is essential. Without it, toxins would poison our cells. Blood's ability to purify is a quiet miracle, maintaining a healthy environment for life. It is the tireless janitor that keeps our bodies running smoothly. Our bodies face constant threats from bacteria, viruses, and other invaders. Blood's white cells are our internal guardians, patrolling and defending against danger. Some white cells identify threats, others engulf invaders, and some create antibodies for lasting protection. Blood also protects us from injury through clotting. When vessels are damaged, platelets and clotting factors form a web, sealing the breach. This rapid response prevents blood loss and allows healing to begin. Without these guardians, even minor injuries or infections could be deadly. White cells and platelets work tirelessly to keep us safe and healthy. They are the reason we recover from illness and heal from wounds. Blood is not just a river of life, it is our shield and sword. It embodies the body's resilience and strength. Our journey through the body reveals blood's profound role. It is the essence of our vitality. Blood carries our breath, nourishes our cells, cleanses our tissues, and defends our health. Every heartbeat is a celebration of its life-sustaining power. When blood flows freely and is well defended, our bodies thrive. Caring for this internal river, through nutrition, hydration, and exercise, supports our health. The dance of red cells, white cells, plasma, and platelets is a symphony of cooperation. Blood unifies trillions of cells into a single living being. It is the lifeline within, enabling thought, movement, growth, and life itself. Let us hold a sense of wonder for this remarkable substance. By understanding and appreciating blood, we respect the miracle of our own existence. In caring for this river, we are truly caring for life itself.